Shooting stars or meteors. These points of light that streak across the night sky are tiny bits of rock from space. They enter our atmosphere at speeds up to 71 kilometers per second, and they glow because friction with air molecules heats them up to an incandescence. They burn up in a second or two at altitudes of around 80 kilometers, high up in the ionosphere, just like fireballs. There are two kinds of meteors, sporadic meteors and shower meteors. Sporadics originate from random bits of solar system dust that orbit around the sun. Their chance encounters with the Earth are unpredictable. While they do slightly cluster in various parts of the sky, their occurrence is completely irregular or sporadic, hence the name. As far as we know, all meteors that reach the ground, meteorites, come from sporadics. Shower meteors come from dust released by comets as they travel through our solar system. The dust spreads out along the comet's orbit and forms an elliptical trail of debris that passes around the sun and crosses the orbits of the planets. Meteor showers occur when the Earth passes through this trail of debris during its yearly orbit around the sun. The following year, the Earth passes through the same debris trail again on about the same date. This is why meteor showers are predictable annual events. Some meteor showers only last for a few hours, and others for several days. The duration depends on how wide the dust trail is. Some are narrow, others are wider. Sunlight and particles from the solar wind, a stream of hot, fast ions that is continuously blowing outward from the sun, can push the dust away from the comet's orbit. The smaller the particle, the more it can be moved. As a result, the dust trail can broaden, and when it does, it takes the Earth longer to pass through it, thus producing longer meteor showers. All of the meteors in a shower come from the same direction in space. From the ground, they appear to radiate from a single location in the sky, called the radiant. It's like driving your car through a tunnel. Some parts of the tunnel pass on your left or right, over your head, or beneath the car. In this case, the radiant would be straight ahead. Meteor showers are named for the constellation from which they appear to radiate. For example, the Gemini's meteor shower appears to originate from the constellation Gemini. Nowadays, some meteors are actually bits of man-made space debris. These tend to be things like paint chips and spent rocket hardware. The meteors they produce can sometimes be identified as man-made because they travel much more slowly across the sky than natural meteors. Now, to observe a meteor shower, first you need to find out when the meteor shower is. There are various mobile apps which can help you to do this. Next, you want to find a place with a clear view of the entire sky. Dark areas well away from any city lights are best, and avoid places where vehicle headlights will momentarily dazzle you. For this, you can utilize the various light pollution maps available online. Furthermore, knowledge of the constellation where the radiant lies may be useful since all of the meteors will seem to emerge around this point. Binoculars are not necessary to see the meteors, but may be helpful in seeing the vapor trail they leave after an especially bright one. In general, we can see more meteors after midnight. Here's why. The Earth is rotating as it moves around the dust trail of a comet. In the evening, we are on the side of the Earth that is shielded from the dust trail, but in the morning, we are on the side of the Earth that is rotating towards the dust trail. It's like driving through the rain. You always get more rain on the windshield than on the rear window. Another good tip is to go on moonless nights, because with a full moon, the eye cannot become completely dark adapted. Full adaptation takes about 20 minutes. Hence, it's better to go at a time where the moon is below the horizon. Maybe you are watching this video because you are getting ready to watch a meteor shower. If so, I hope that you have fun and enjoy the experience, because now that you know how meteor showers work, you will not want to miss it.